What's up guys? Maligayang pagbabalik sa aking munting channel. Have a good day everyone. Marami na naman tayong mga bagong unit na dumating, dagdag sa choices na pagpipilian nyo. Kaya sa mga naghahanap ng sasakyan dyan, panoorin nyo po ito hanggang sa dulo. Dahil marami po tayong mga unit na mga ganda at quality na pasok sa inyong mga budget. Huwag na nating patagalin, pero bago nating simulan, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe at kung bago ka pa lang sa aking YouTube channel, pakilike and subscribe naman po at isama mo ng notification bell para maging updated ka sa mga video na i-upload ko. Alright, let's start. Nangunguna sa ating lineup, 2013 Isuzu Cruzwind 2.5 XT Turbo, manual transmission, diesel engine, mileage 113,000 kms, price 428,000. Location, Pasig City. Sa naghahanap ng 10-seater capacity, ito well-maintained and well-preserved unit, keyless entry, push start button, naka-Android touchscreen head unit na to, malamig ang aircon with automatic climate control, 5-speed manual transmission, malakas sumatak, walang delay, maganda ang sound nito, may subwoofer na po ito, malinis, labas at loob po nitong unit. Mga upuan nito, naka all leather seat cover. Check nyo po engine bay nito, no talsik, no usok, no blow by, no overheat history. Naka 2.5 liter diesel engine that produces 83 horsepower at 185 Nm of torque. Condition po itong unit, ready for long drive at negotiable upon viewing. Kompleto na po ito, may rough carrier, may rain gutter, may stick board at ang mga gulong nito makakapal pa, nasa 95% trade line. Outside appearance nito, smooth shiny paint, wala po itong gas-gas, walang dent. Next, 2014 Toyota Camry 2.5V automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 60,000 kms, price 680,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Top of the line series sa naghahanap ng Toyota Camry. Ito po ang ganda ng pagkaputi. Push start button, multi-function steering wheel with cruise control. Naka wooden design interior na po ito at clean and intact interior. Naka all leather, power seat and power mirrors, 100% working. Maayos pa naman ang leather ng mga upuan nito, pati sidings all intact. Pang ilalim maayos, wala po itong kalampag. Check nyo po engine bay nito under the hood. Naka 2.5 liter gas engine that produces 181 horsepower at 231 Nm of torque. Naka Motolet battery na rin to. Excellent engine condition. Available po ito sa financing. Pa-check na lang po ng competition na nasa screen. Naka all-in down payment na po yan at negotiable po yan upon viewing. Kung may existing unit naman po kayo, pwede nyo rin po dito i-trade in. 2020 Toyota Wigo 1.0e manual transmission, gas engine, mileage 30,000 kms, price 390,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Sa nag-request sa akin magpahanap ng Toyota Wigo na manual transmission, eto idol, check mo to. Like new condition, smooth and responsive transmission, wala pong delay sa shifting. Naka dual airbag na to, power steering at malamig ang aircon. Low mileage pa lang tinakbo neto, nasa 30,000. Alaga po ito ng first owner at 100% hindi po ito nabaha. Kompleto ang mga papel, naka-registered. Under the hood, naka 1.0 liter gas engine that produces 65 horsepower at 89 Nm of torque. No engine issue po ito, nothing to fix. Available din po ito sa financing. Pa-check na lang po ulit ng competition na nasa screen. Sa mga naghahanap ng first car nila, pwede nyo pong i-consider to. Lalong-lalo na sa marunong mag-manual, madaling i-parking to at napakatipid po nito sa gas. 2022 Ford Ranger 2.0 Raptor 4x4 automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 14,000 kms, price 1,620,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Sa nagpapahanap sa akin ng Ford Ranger Raptor, eto idol, gwapong-gwapo to. Multi-function steering wheel, push start button with cruise control, 10-speed automatic transmission, smooth shifting, malakas po humatak, good as new condition, excellent and clean interior. Sa naghahanap dyan ng 4-wheel drive na pick-up, may bidliner cover na rin to, sasakyan mo na lang to. Under the hood, naka 2.0 twin turbo diesel engine that produces 210 horsepower at 500 Nm of torque. Superb engine condition, no issue. Kasama rin po ito sa financing. Pa-check na lang po ng competition na nasa screen. Linis po yung mugs neto at wala po pong mga gutter marks. Mga gulong, nasa 95% trade line. Outside appearance ng unit, makinis. Wala po itong gas-gas, walang dent, very presentable. Next, 2017 Hyundai Accent 1.4 GL automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 40,000 kms, price 380,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Sa naghahanap ng sedan na below 400 ang budget, ito po, check nito mga idol, Hyundai Accent, all stock, all original, clean and fresh intact interior. Maayos po ang kondisyon nito, malamig ang aircon, naka dual airbag. Maganda ang loob nito, maayos ang mga upuan. Solid ang under chassis, wala po itong kalampag at 100% hindi po ito binaha. Under the hood, naka 1.4 liter gas engine that produces 99 horsepower at 132 Nm of torque. Naka Amaron battery pa to, no engine issue. Available din po ito sa financing. Pa-check na lang po ako ng computation na nasa screen. Outside appearance ng unit, stock original shiny paint, very presentable, mga gulong makakapal pa naman po. Sasakyan nyo na lang naman po tong unit ready for long drive. Next, 2018 Ford EcoSport 1.5 titanium, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 50,000 kms, price 458,000. Location Parañaque City. Top of the line series, may parking sensor na to, all stock, all original. Naka push start button na to, malamig ang aircon with automatic climate control. Multi-info display, may phone connectivity, may auxiliary and Bluetooth ready. All power and all mechanism are working well. 5-seater capacity at lahat po ng upuan naka-premium leather seat. May sunroof na rin po ito, astig, ang ganda ng forma. Malinis at maayos ang interior nito, best buy unit. Maayos din ang suspension nito, walang kalampag. Check nyo po engine bay nito under the hood. No talsik, no usok, no blow by. Naka 1.5 liter gas engine that produces 121 horsepower at 150 Nm of torque. Sa mga interesado, available din po ito sa financing. Pa-check na lang po ng computation na nasa screen. Overall appearance, makinis, wala pong gasgas, walang din. Naka 16 inches alloy wheels at ang mga gulong makakawal pa, nasa 90% trade line. Sasakyan mo lang to, just gas and go. 2008 Hyundai Santa Fe 2.2 CRDI, automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 90,000 kms, price 348,000. Location Parañaque City. Sa mga naghahanap dyan ng 7-seater, napasok sa inyong mga budget, eto po, Hyundai Santa Fe, automatic transmission, diesel engine na po ito, smooth and responsive, wala pong delay sa shifting, with Tiptronic shifting na rin to. Clean and fresh, intact interior, mga upuan at sidings, all intact po ito. Maayos ang kondisyon. Well-maintained and well-preserved unit po ito. Pwede nyo pong i-view ng actual. At kung may trusted kayong mechanic, pwede nyo pong isama. Unli check, unli test drive naman itong unit. Kompleto ang mga papel, naka-registered. Nothing to fix ang unit na to. Sasakyan mo na lang to, just diesel and go. Next, 2010 Mazda 2 1.5L, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 80,000 kms, price 268,000. Location Parañaque City. Another affordable price. Eto po, sa naghahanap ng hatchback, pwede nyo pong i-consider to. All stock, all original, private use only, not bank repo. All gauge, all power buttons, and all mechanism are working well. Well-maintained and well-preserved unit. Maayos po ang kondisyon ng unit na to. Malamig ang aircon. Mga upuan, maganda pa po ang upholstery. Solid ang under chassis, wala po itong kalampag. 100% no accident history, 100% not flooded unit. Check nyo po engine bay nito. Wala pong tagas ng langis, no overheat history, no blow by. Good running condition ng engine nito, no issue. Sa mga interesado sa unit na to, pwede nyo po akong kontakin sa may smart on WhatsApp account ko po, or you can comment down below sa video para ma-assist ko po kayo. Best buy unit to, kita naman sa itsura ng sasakyan. Next, 2020 Ford Ranger 2.2 XLS 4x2, automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 22,000 kms, price 858,000. Location Pasig City. Sa naghahanap ng sariwang pickup, ito limited edition, multi-function steering wheel with cruise control, ice cold aircon with automatic climate control, all power, mirrors and windows 100% working, 6-speed automatic transmission with Tiptronic shifting, malakas sumatak po, wala pong delay. Clean and fresh interior, naka fabric seats. Under the hood, naka 2.2 liter diesel engine that produces 158 horsepower at 385 Nm of torque. Excellent running condition po ang unit, wala po itong tagas ng langis, no overheat history. Yung mga kasa markings pa po yan, no engine issue. Outside appearance ng unit, makinis, wala po itong gasgas, walang dent. Meron na rin po itong rain gutter, naka Raptor step board. Mga gulong nito makakapal pa, nasa 85% trade line. Sasakyan mo na lang tong unit, just diesel and go. 2013 Subaru Forester 2.0 AWD, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 82,000 kms, price 498,000. Location Digman, Bacoor. Sa naghahanap ng Subaru Forester dyan na 4-wheel drive, na below 500k ang budget, pwede nyo pong i-consider to mga idol. Pristine interior, naka all leather seat ang mga upuan, malamig ang aircon, well-maintained and well-preserved din to ng first owner. Kita naman sa itsura ng unit, sariwa po at maganda po ang mga upholstery nito, wala po itong kalampag. Available din po itong unit sa financing, pa-check na lang po ng competition na nasa screen. Naka all-in down payment na po tayo dyan. Under the hood, naka 2.0 liter gas engine that produces 110 horsepower at 198 Nm of torque. No hidden defects po ito, ready for long drive. Outside appearance, makinis po ito, bagong ceramic coat, wala po itong gasgas, walang dent. Next, 2020 Toyota Avanza 1.3J, manual transmission, gas engine, mileage 40,000 kms, price 480,000. Location Las Piñas City. Sa nagre-request sa akin magpahanap ng 7-seater na manual transmission, ito po, sariwang Toyota Avanza, 5-speed manual transmission, power steering, naka dual airbag, malamig ang aircon with automatic climate control, good as new condition interior, kita naman sa itsura ng mga upuan, naka fabric seats, malinis po yan at maayos. Solid pang mga pangilalim ilalim nito, wala pong unwanted noise. Check nyo po engine bay nito, naka 1.3 liter gas engine that produces 95 horsepower at 121 Nm of torque. Ready to use na po ito, guaranteed no engine issue. Syempre, available din po ito sa financing. Pa-check na lang po ng computation na nasa screen. Naka all-in down payment na po tayo dyan. Kung cash basis po, negotiable na pa ang viewing. Free na po ang transfer ng ownership at kung may existing unit po kayo, pwede nyo po dito i-trade in. Next, 2017 Nissan Urban NV350 2.4L, manual transmission, diesel engine, mileage 60,000 kms, price 750,000. Location Las Piñas City. Sa naghahanap naman ng van, pang family, pang business, pwede nyo pong i-consider to. Fresh in and out, 5-speed, manual transmission, malakas sumatak, walang delay, naka dual ice cold aircon. Maayos pang kondisyon itong unit, na-scan at na-check na po natin to. 15-seater capacity, maluwag ang loob nito, marami kayong maisasakay. Maayos ang pang-ilalim nito, maayos ang suspension. Perfect to pang family and pang business. Check nyo po engine bay nito, naka 2.4 liter diesel engine that produces 129 horsepower and 356 Nm of torque. Guaranteed no engine issue po ito, no hidden defects, ready for long drive. Available din po ito sa financing. Pa-check na lang po ng computation na nasa screen. Condition na po ito, handa na po ito sa pang malayo ang biyahe. Overall outside appearance ng unit, makinis po ito, maganda ang pagkaputi. Wala po itong gasgas, walang dent, very presentable. Next, 2014 Mitsubishi Montero Sport 2.4 GLSV 4x2, automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 60,000 kms, price 690,000. Location Las Piñas City. Sa naghanap dyan ng SUV, 7 to 8 seater capacity, multi-function steering wheel, 6-speed, automatic transmission with Tiptronic shifting. Check nyo po second row nito, maluwag naman po, okay po yung space ng legroom tsaka headroom. Ganda pa ang loob nito, used but not abused, well maintained talaga ng first owner, perfect to pang personal and family use. Under the hood, naka 2.4 liter diesel engine that produces 179 horsepower at 430 Nm of torque. No leaks, no overheat history po yung unit na to. Of course, kasama po ito sa financing. Pa-check na lang po ulit ng computation na nasa screen. At lahat naman po ng unit na ina-upload ko ay na-check at na-scan ko na po ito. So wala na po kayong ibang dapat ikabahala pa. Kung may iba pa po kayong inquiry at para sa mabilis na transaksyon, andyan po sa taas yung Smart and WhatsApp account ko po. Next, 2015 Subaru Forester 2.0 Premium AWD, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 60,000 kms, price 590,000. Location Las Piñas City. Stock original shiny paint pa po yan. Ganda rin ang kulay na ito. Naka Android touchscreen head unit na rin to. Multi-function steering wheel with cruise control, push start, all power mirrors, and windows are 100% working. Mga upuan at sidings, maayos po ito. May sunroof na po itong unit. 5-seater capacity at hindi po masyadong gamit ang unit na to. Deep dish matting na rin po yung trunk space nito. Check nyo po engine bay nito, malinis. No talsik, no usok, no blow by. Good running condition, ready for long drive na po ito. Available din po ito sa financing. Pa-check na lang po ng computation na nasa screen. Naka two-toned alloy wheels at wala po pong mga gutter marks. Mga gulong nito naka Michelin, nasa 85% trade line pa po. As by unit din to, must see the unit to appreciate. Next, 2015 Isuzu Sportivo 2.5X, automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 80,000 kms, price 630,000. Location Las Piñas City. Sa naghahanap ng 7 to 8 seater capacity na Sportivo X na automatic transmission, ito po, smooth and responsive, wala pong delay sa shifting, malakas sumatak. Ka-deep dish matting na rin to, clean and fresh intact interior, naka all leather seats. Available din po ito sa financing. Pa-check na lang po ulit ng computation na nasa screen. Good running condition po ang unit na to, nothing to fix, no issue. Alright, ayan na po lahat ang upload natin for today's video. Sana po may makursonadahan kayo. At kung wala pa po dyan ng kursonadan yung unit, just comment down below sa video at hahanapan ko po kayo. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Maraming salamat. Hanggang sa next upload, mabuhay po kayong lahat. This is J. Catskill Vlogs. Peace out!